Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the Mova Z60 UItra Roller Complete. If you're interested in the Z60, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the Mova home app right now with our Z60. It has just been set up. Now we can enter in. And once we hit that enter button, when it loads, you'll notice we have a start fast mapping. So that's what we want to check right here. So we're going to select start fast mapping. They have a quick mapping guide. And there we go. It's going to dispatch from the station, and now it's going to make our map. And there we have it. The vacuum is finished. It's mapping. It's returning back to the dock to charge. It took 5 minutes on the dot to generate this map and all the detail that you're seeing right here. So now it's making its way back to the station. But 5 minutes to map multiple rooms here. Super quick, super efficient. Once it makes it back into the station to charge, this is the next screen you're greeted at. It's colored the map, it's labeled the rooms. We can say that's correct, or we can proceed to adjust. That looks great to me, though. We're going to select correct. And here we go. We can confirm thresholds, if there are any. You'll notice the colors, the room numbers now. If you do want to edit it, don't worry if you hit correct and it's not. Right-hand side of the screen above the little pet icon is the map edit, so it's the map with a pencil. And then we have all of our editing options right here for the map. This does support multi-level mapping. And from here, you just go to that multi-floor map management, and we can go ahead and we can add new maps if we change this to multi-floor. And then you'll notice down at the bottom, we have create map. And there we go. We can do fast mapping, or it can clean a map at the same time. So that's how you make a map or even multiple maps with your Mova Z60 UItra Roller Complete.